Number 15. About 35% of you got this one correct. And I'm not disappointed in that. I thought it was pretty good considering that you need to have the previous one correct in order to get this one correct. However, I am disappointed that a quarter of you guys just left it blank. And there's no reason to leave it blank. If you leave it blank, you're guaranteed to get 0 points. Just guess. It's multiple choice. It doesn't hurt you. You don't get penalized for wrong answers. Just make a guess. It never hurts to do that. So, what is angle B? Well, again, like I said, you have to know what the previous answer was in order to get this one. So angle C we determined, side BC, or X here, we determined was 8.2 centimeters, right? So I'm just going to put in 8.2. Boom. Okay, when we know a side and an opposite angle, then we can use law of sines in order to figure out our missing things. So angle B here is opposite this length of 4, and this 8.2 is opposite this 130-degree angle. So we're going to use that to set up to use our law of sines. So the law of sines is that the sine of an angle, in this case angle A, over little a equals the sine of angle B over little b. Again, I can plug in my numbers. I know that angle A is 130. I know that side A, thanks to the previous problem, is 8.2. And then angle B is my unknown, but I know that little b is 4 centimeters. So I can plug in 4 here. Cool. Then I just have to solve for b. So I multiply both sides by 4 times 4 times 4, put it up here, times 4. These cancel. And then I take the inverse sine of both sides, and I get angle B equals the inverse sine of this entire thing here. 4 times the sine of 130 over 8.2. 4 times the sine of 130 divided by 8.2. Try. I forgot to take the inverse sine. 4 times the sine of 130 divided by 8.2. Is that right? Inverse sine of 4 times the sine of 130 divided by 8.2 gives me 21.94. 21.94 rounds to the nearest degree. And it'll be approximately equal to 21.94 degrees. Cool.